Hello again. As you're getting started in this program, I wanted to quickly remind you about the research study that you're also a part of here. We are testing and evaluating a program that has been developed to help you, college students, develop purpose in life. We're going to evaluate this program in two ways. First, we're going to see if it's been effective at actually helping you develop your purpose. Second, we're going to look at the experiences you have in this program. What did you find helpful? What did you not find helpful? At the beginning of this program, you're going to be asked to complete the Claremont Purpose Scale. It's a 12-question survey that focuses on seeing the presence of purpose that you have inside of you. You're then going to walk through this 14-day program, including 2 live Zoom sessions with material that is aimed to help you develop your purpose. At the end of the program, you're going to be asked to complete the Claremont Purpose Scale again, and you will also be asked to complete a 1-hour Zoom interview with me so I can hear about your experiences. This is what this study is for. We're here together to learn what it looks like to develop purpose in college students, and each of you are such a huge help in that. So once again, thank you for participating in this study, and I'm really excited to go on this journey with you.